Hi everyone, I'm pleased to be your speaker for this special FIRA video presentation of Dino. My name is Simon. I'm the technical referent for Naïo technology in Toulouse. Just to let you know, maybe you know who we are, but our company is based in Toulouse since 2011, and we have now 150 robots outside in the fields. Dino and Oz specialize for vegetables production, and Ted for the vineyards production. And today I'm going to show you how Dino works. So if you want to follow me, let's go. So just to present you how Dino works and what Dino do. Dino is an autonomous robot that do cultivating and weeding on vegetable crops. So we are today on lettuce, but Dino can work on multiple type of crop, leeks, cabbage, cilantro, celery, onion, all type of vegetables. He's for more large-scale vegetable growers. He is fully electric, powered by lithium batteries that you charge at your shop. He can work up to 4 hectares per day. That during an amount of between 8 and 10 hours, depending the soil conditions. He's guided by GPS RTK, so that gives us a really good precision, centimetric precision. And then once he's working, there is a camera just under here. The tools are guided by a camera guidance. So that gives really good precision, and that gives us the possibility to go really close to the plant. The first step before to operate Dino is to create a map. There is 2 ways to create the map, or we use the same GPS as Dino is using and you put it on your planter. So Dino is following the same track where you planted your lettuce. And the second way is to take GPS point, AB points, for each bed. Then Dino is able to follow the lines you created for him once you create the map, and he's ready to go. So what I want to do is position Dino on that bed. So what I do is with the remote control that I have, I put Dino in front of the bed. Once he's in front of the bed, I go on the screen and I decide to put autonomous mode. I put the map that I made the day before. So it's a GPS map, FIRA. I want the tool activate. So for the tool guidance, I need the lettuce size, the number of row, and the distance between the plants. So I decide the speed and if I want to go right or left. He's asking me if he's ready to go. What he's going to do right now is asking me how deep I want the tools. So I go to look at the tool depth. He's ready and he's working autonomously. And the robot is ready to go to work for 8 hours. At that moment, I don't need to touch the remote or to do anything. He's controlling the tools with the camera, and he's controlling himself with the GPS. Once Dino is finishing the bed, he's gonna lift his tools up, still autonomously. And once he lifts his tool, he's gonna go to the next bed. The advantage is that he can do the U-turn with a really small amount of space. He don't need a large space to do his U-turn as he's turning around like that. So he's looking now for the next bed. And once he's in front of the next bed, he's gonna put his tools down and cultivate. Once Dino finishes the job, he sent me a text saying job finished. So the setup we are using right now is the setup we decided to use today. So we have a V-knife that cultivates between the rows right here and killing the plants. And then in the back we are using finger weeders that cultivate between the plants. So as you can see, we're breaking that crust in the middle here, but it's up to you to decide which setup or which tools you want to use. You can use L knife, V knife, the tools you prefer. And we are working right now on a four line beds, but we can work up to 10 lines with different setups. And the robot's width is adaptable, and we can go from 160 centimeter to 210 centimeter on the bigger beds. So that's the setup that Naïo proposed, but depending what's your favorite tools, you can adapt the knife you want and other tools.
Oh, and by the way, we have integrated a brand new Intero guidance system for the tool adjustments. The manufacturer, Tiletenag, now provide us the really robust solution that allow Dino to work on even more crops, up to 10 line. We can work on beets and all kind of lettuce, all colors. So that gives us even more opportunity to work on different crops.
So there is different level of safety for Dino. The first one is the GPS. He never gonna go away from the line you created for him. The second level are the emergency button. So we have this little remote for the operator. So we can just press the button if there is an emergency or if we see someone too close from the machine. There is an emergency button right here. And then the second level is around the robot where we have the LiDAR. So it's like a laser and everything that go around him when he's operating, like right here, the machine is gonna stop. The second level is the bumpers right here. So if there is an obstacle or someone, the robot will stop too. We hope you enjoyed this demo with our robot Dino. If you have any question, do not hesitate to ask us, and have a good day.